Hey there, fellow foodies. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect and discuss the latest and greatest in culinary delights.
Today, we've got something truly egg-citing on the menu. Redhawk Farms pickled eggs. Now, what sets these eggs apart from your average pickled variety?
Let's dive right in and find out.
First off, let's talk about quality. Redhawk Farms prides itself on hand-selecting the freshest eggs,
which are then gently boiled, peeled, and pickled in a flavorful vinegar brine. And guess what?
No artificial flavors or preservatives here, just good old natural ingredients. But it's not just about the ingredients, folks. It's about the taste. And let me tell you, these pickled eggs deliver.
They've got that perfect balance of tanginess from the vinegar, a hint of sweetness, and a whole lot of flavor packed into every bite.
Now, you might be wondering,
how do I enjoy these pickled eggs?
Well, the possibilities are endless.
Whether you're adding them to salads for that extra zing, serving them up on a charcuterie board for a unique twist, or simply enjoying them as a high-protein snack straight out of the jar, Redhawk Farms pickled eggs are sure to elevate any meal.
And hey, let's not forget about presentation.
These pickled eggs not only taste amazing but they also look stunning. The vibrant colors and appetizing appearance make them a standout addition to any spread. So, whether you're a pickled egg aficionado or trying them for the first time, I highly recommend giving Redhawk Farms pickled eggs a try. They're a crowd-pleasing treat, a perfect gift for any occasion.
And above all, a delicious snack that'll keep you coming back for more. Well, that's a wrap for today's product critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouthwatering reviews. Until next time, happy snacking!